Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working on our monthly December plan. I'm gonna take down that big calendar on the wall and change all of that and get us organized for the month of December. And I also got the productivity planner from Jordan Page. So it is funcheaporfree.com is her website. So they had a big sale. So I got this, so I'm gonna be organizing that. And then I also have two areas in my house that need like major cleaning stat. So the downstairs closet, like our coat closet, is just stacked and stacked of stuff. There's backpacks, there's coats, there's mittens, gloves, hats, everything is, winter boots, like you name it, everything is in that closet and it's literally shoved in there. It's, wait till you see it, you're gonna be like, I cannot believe you've let this go. We don't usually go in there, but now that it's winter time and we are needing coats and gloves and all that, I really need to go in and go see what is still fits the kids, what we're still using, what we can donate and things like that. And then also in the kids' bathroom, like where they keep their toothbrushes, and the second drawer is where my daughter keeps all her hair stuff, and it's a disaster. Like it's just stuff in there. We can never find anything when we need it. Also because she doesn't put her bows back where they belong. She's in the book back reading, so I figured she would have a little comment to say. But so we are gonna get that done. We're gonna start by working on our planning and then we will get organizing. So make sure you guys are subscribed and let's get started.
It's the time, it's the season for you to come home to me, come back home to me. No pressure, there's no reason other than I want to.
So now that I have everything cleaned off, I'm just going in and writing the month and writing in all of the dates. I also go through my phone and I see what I already have scheduled for the month of December. So my husband and I just do like the calendar in our iPhones and share our calendars with each other. So he puts his work schedule, I'll put anything I have going on, kids' appointments, things like that. So I just go in and start writing all of that down.
Feel about you. It's so easy for you to come home to me, come back home to me. People change, get so needy, but I know how to wait, so let them go crazy. Make me smile and I'll give you my best. I'll take my time and I'll push my fears away till the time, till the season when you come back to me. I love how you move me around, around, around. Move me around.
So now that the calendar is done, I am just going through and looking at my new planner. I really like this. I like that it has a meal plan. It has a daily tracker. It also has the month at a glance sheet and then the daily block schedule. If you see right next to my planner, that is what I have hanging up in my kitchen now, which is what I use, is a block schedule. I can go into more detail in another video if you guys are interested, but it's just like how I can plan out my day, and my kids actually use it as well. And this is just like a more professional version than my little cutout piece of paper, but I like that it has the meal plan and all of that in one. And now look at the abyss of this drawer. She just literally throws everything in there. I found doll clothes, I found all sorts of things that just end up in the drawer. So I just kind of go through and organize everything, and you'll see her pop in and out. So I just kind of showed her where everything is so she knows and she can find her things.
It's so clear, I'm the color of you. Everyone can see how I feel about you.
may get lost and never come back from here. It's that bad. It's hard to tell, but it just is piled and piled with stuff. Like, it's piled waist high, just full of stuff. So let's get going. I could not get over how many gloves I found only one too. Like, I know they're kids and they lose stuff, and like I totally get that, but there was like 7 or 8 pairs that I only had one glove to. I don't know what they do, but I was able to kind of go through this and organize it. And I was also able to give away a ton of things. There was a few jackets that I hung up on our coat rack, right on the opposite wall from where I am, that I want them to try on in the morning. All right, so now everything is organized. Up there in that orange bin, I just have like the kids' headphones for the summertime when we go to see fireworks and things like that. And then also some ski goggles and things like that. There's my hats and gloves and scarves. I have some sign language books there. Then I have all of our coats and things like that. My husband also has some suits and some extra work uniforms. And then below here, we just keep the kids' backpacks in there when we're not using them. Then on here, they each have a bin with their gloves, hats, scarves, any of that. And then in the bottom drawer is their snow pants. And in the back, it's hard to kind of see, but so down here in the back is just our umbrellas. And then here's like hiking backpacks and an extra sleeping bag. In the back is my duffel bag for when we go away, and the kids' bags. And then behind here is their suitcases, and I also put their sleeping bags in there as well. So I hope you guys liked this video. We were able to plan out the month of December. I cannot believe we're already in the month of December. It's crazy. I feel like I just did all of this for November, but here we are. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this motivates you to organize or plan your month or something like that. Get you to do anything really. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.